welcome back to my channel. From last couple of days I was trying some DIYs which can be tricky but worth your time and energy, and that can be useful too in your day-to-day life. Today's creation is an organizer, a jewelry organizer made with some white papers and some waste cardboard boxes. So that's the jewelry organizer. Isn't it very pretty? This organizer is surely gonna look amazing on your vanity, and you won't waste your time and energy detangling your neck pieces. It's quite irritating, right, when you are in a hurry. So let's check out how I made this with paper. I'm taking one A4 size sheet and cutting it into 8 parts. Next we will make paper sticks. For this we need a metal stick. We need some small sticks also. That's why I'm cutting those papers into half. We need loads and loads of paper sticks. Next, take any waste cardboard box. Whatever pattern you want, you can draw on one white paper sheet and then paste it on the cardboard box. Next, glue the sticks on the cardboard in whatever pattern you want. I like it this way. Fill out the gaps with glue and let it dry completely. Then we will trim out the edges like so. Next, we are marking on the back side of the cardboard so that we can cut out the edges for our jewelry. Next, I'm adding a thick layer of cardboard on back side of my jewelry organizer. Now let's make a holder for this.